In the construction sector, individual customers can have an outsized effect on your company's reputation. Word of mouth spreads quickly, so it's vital you supply a high-quality service. A customer relationship management CRM system helps manage customer data. It supports sales management, delivers actionable insights, integrates with social media, and facilitates team communication. Cloud-based CRM systems offer complete mobility and access to an ecosystem of bespoke apps. A CRM system helps businesses keep customer contact details up to date, track every single customer interaction, and manage customer accounts. Forecasting reports enable salespeople to get better visibility over their pipelines, qualify leads more accurately, and see how close they are to hitting their targets. Sales managers can use reports to motivate and manage their people. When evaluating and comparing CRM systems, there are 3 types to consider: desktop, server, and cloud. A desktop system is suited only for a single individual, so for anyone running a business with multiple staff, the choice is between server and cloud. Server CRMs have a central database stored on a server, usually self-hosted, with software installed on each user's PC or laptop to access it. Cloud-based CRMs are supplied and hosted online by a third-party provider and accessible anywhere via a connected device, including mobile phones. Cloud-based CRMs generally have a subscription plan that is paid monthly, whereas server CRMs can be purchased outright for a one-time fee. Cloud-based CRM suppliers will maintain the online servers and keep security up to date as part of the subscription fee, along with updates to the software and backups for your data. Updating server CRMs will mean incurring another fee, and these do not come with any extra security, maintenance, or data recovery support. Smaller businesses may find a server CRM suits their budgetary needs. Otherwise, cloud-based CRMs are the way to go. Some CRM systems can use artificial intelligence, AI, to make recommendations based on available data. In this way, the system constantly and automatically improves, becoming smarter and more targeted to the needs of the customer. With a CRM system in place, every question, every service request, every preference, and every past contact detail about every customer is instantly available, which means that every new interaction with them should always be personalized, relevant, and up to date. As well as tracking every phone call, email sent, meeting held, and presentation delivered, CRM systems can also be used to add notes, schedule follow-ups, and organize the next steps that need to be taken. This ensures that opportunities to close deals or grow customer accounts won't be missed. A social CRM can integrate with social media, ensuring that potential customers can engage with your company online through their preferred channels. CRM data will help you figure out what sales techniques are most effective so that you and your team can adapt to changing expectations. The insights gleaned from a CRM system are only as valuable as the data you feed it. If incorrect information is recorded, or more commonly, information isn't recorded at all, then the patterns detected by your CRM analytical tools may be inaccurate or imprecise. Since they're usually paid for their monthly subscription plans, many cloud-based CRM suppliers will offer a free trial so that you can gauge whether one system or another is right for your company. Suppliers such as Capsule, Fusion 5, and Creatio also have tutorials, walkthroughs, and guides available online. YouTube is also a valuable source for learning about end-user experiences and reviews of different CRM systems.